Today, we're taking a closer look at 7 SUVs that come shockingly close to flawless. The ones real owners trust, highly rated by Consumer Reports, and that hold their value year after year. Number 7. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a 3-row luxury SUV that has quietly become one of the most reliable models in its class. Consumer Reports awarded the 2025 MDX an impressive 97 reliability score, one of the best ever for a vehicle in this segment. Owners frequently note that the SUV needs very little maintenance, with routine oil changes and tire rotations making up most of the service for the first 30,000 miles. Even past that point, major components like the transmission, suspension, and electronics rarely cause problems, an impressive achievement for a tech-packed luxury SUV. This reliability directly boosts the MDX's long-term value. With a starting price around $48,000, buyers get a vehicle that delivers high-end performance without the high-end price tag seen in comparable German rivals. Maintenance costs for the first 5 years average around $1,500, far below what most luxury 3-row SUVs demand, solidifying the MDX as a smart value choice. What really separates the MDX is Acura's disciplined engineering philosophy. Instead of chasing gimmicks or unproven tech, they refine systems that have been tested for decades. Number 6. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX remains one of the most reliable luxury SUVs on the market. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 RX an impressive 95 reliability score, placing it near the top of its segment. Owners consistently report that maintenance is minimal, with routine oil changes and tire rotations making up nearly all required service. Despite its advanced tech and comfort-oriented features, the RX rarely encounters unexpected repairs, a clear reflection of Lexus's commitment to durability over flashy, unproven features. Financially, the RX is just as strong. Its 3-year resale value sits around 71%. Meaning a $50,000 model often retains about $35,000 of its worth. 5-year maintenance costs remain low for a luxury SUV, reinforcing the RX's reputation as a dependable long-term choice. This mix of low upkeep and excellent resale makes it especially appealing for buyers who want reliability without sacrifice. Lexus achieves this through meticulous engineering and strict quality control, ensuring each component is built to last. Consumer Reports shows very few unscheduled repairs or warranty claims, adding to owner confidence. Even after tens of thousands of miles, the RX maintains its refinement, performance, and structural integrity. Number 5. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has long been known for its dependability, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. Consumer Reports gave it a 92 reliability score, underscoring its consistent performance in the compact SUV category. Owners frequently note that basic maintenance, mainly oil changes and tire rotations, is almost all that's needed to keep the Forester running reliably. From a financial perspective, the Forester is an excellent choice for buyers looking to avoid high ownership costs. Starting around $28,000, it retains roughly 69% of its value after 3 years. Its 5-year maintenance and repair expenses remain well below class averages, offering added savings and peace of mind for drivers focused on long-term reliability. Consumer Reports also shows that the Forester experiences very few warranty claims or unexpected repairs, a major advantage for families and daily commuters. Subaru's engineering philosophy centers on durability and simplicity, building components to handle a variety of climates and road conditions without sacrificing performance. Owners often report that their Foresters continue to run smoothly even after tens of thousands of miles, demonstrating a level of longevity and dependability that many rivals struggle to match. With predictable performance, low maintenance needs, and strong resale value, the Forester stands out as a top pick for anyone seeking reliability over flashy extras. Number 4. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander has built a strong reputation for reliability in the mid-size SUV segment, and the 2025 model keeps that legacy alive. Consumer Reports gave it an outstanding 96 reliability score, placing it among the top vehicles in its class. Owners frequently report that basic maintenance, mainly oil changes and tire rotations, accounts for almost every service visit with very few unexpected issues. Financially, the Highlander delivers excellent value. Starting at around $40,000, it retains about 71% of its value after 3 years, meaning it still holds roughly $28,000 of its original price. 5-year maintenance costs stay under $1,000, making it a smart long-term choice for families and buyers who prioritize durability. Consumer Reports also notes very few warranty claims, reinforcing the Highlander's reputation as a vehicle designed to last without costly surprises. Toyota's engineering strategy focuses on proven systems and straightforward design. Every component is built with longevity in mind, ensuring consistent, dependable performance over time. With its low rate of unscheduled repairs, strong resale value, and long-lasting build quality, the Toyota Highlander shows that a mid-size SUV can deliver comfort, practicality, and modern features while still maintaining exceptional reliability. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has built decades of credibility for its reliability, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. Consumer Reports gave it a 93 reliability score, highlighting the CR-V's consistent long-term performance. Owners say maintenance is simple and minimal. Routine oil changes, tire rotations, and basic inspections cover nearly all service needs. Unexpected repairs are uncommon, setting the CR-V apart in a segment where reliability often varies widely. Its maintenance and repair costs are lower than the class average, making it especially appealing for buyers who want a dependable SUV without worrying about surprise expenses. Consumer Reports data shows the CR-V consistently avoids major issues, reinforcing its reputation as a strong long-term investment. Honda achieves this reliability by focusing on practical engineering and time-tested systems. The CR-V is built for everyday durability, whether for daily commuting or long road trips, without sacrificing performance. Many owners report that even after 60,000 miles, the CR-V still feels solid, consistent, and trouble-free. This proven track record stems from Honda's emphasis on longevity rather than unnecessary complexity, resulting in fewer headaches and a smoother ownership experience. Number 2. Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 has quickly become one of the standout surprises on Consumer Reports' reliability rankings, earning an impressive 94 score for the 2025 model. That's a remarkable achievement for a relatively new entrant in the segment, but the CX-50 has backed it up with consistently strong long-term performance. Owners report that routine maintenance is simple and predictable, with very few unexpected repairs even as mileage climbs. From a financial standpoint, the CX-50 is a smart buy. Starting around $32,000, it holds roughly 68% of its value after 3 years, putting many used models close to $21,000. That's excellent retention for a vehicle competing against long-established rivals. 5-year maintenance costs remain well below the class average, giving buyers added confidence they won't be hit with surprise expenses. Consumer Reports also shows the CX-50 has fewer repair reports per 100 vehicles than many direct competitors, highlighting Mazda's careful engineering approach. Rather than chasing flashy or untested features, Mazda prioritized stability and proven systems. Owners often note that even after 50,000 miles or more, the CX-50 still feels solid, with major components showing minimal wear. This consistent performance is a major reason the CX-50 ranks so highly on reliability lists. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate as one of the most reliable SUVs on the market, and the 2025 model only strengthens that reputation. Consumer Reports awarded it a 96 reliability score, placing it ahead of nearly every compact SUV in its class. Owners consistently note that the RAV4 handles daily driving with ease, and routine maintenance, mainly oil changes and basic inspections, is all it typically needs for years. Major repairs are rare, and long-term testing shows the RAV4 stays consistent even as the mileage climbs. Its financial value is equally impressive. With a starting price around $30,000, the RAV4 retains about 72% of its value after 3 years, putting resale around $21,600, significantly better than most competitors. maintenance costs over the first 5 years remain low, and Consumer Reports data highlights fewer repair reports than almost any SUV in the segment. Toyota maintains the RAV4's dependability by relying on proven systems and prioritizing long-term stability over flashy, short-lived features. Many owners with more than 70,000 miles report that their RAV4 still drives with the same confidence and smoothness it had when new. And with that, we've reached the end of the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content.